Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add manager in Google My Business profile. It is super easy. As you can see, I have searched for my business name, or you can search for my business keyword using the same Gmail account from which you have created your Google My Business listing. And here there is a triple dot. We will click on this, and here we will go to the business profile settings, and now we need to go to the people and access settings, and here we can simply add anybody as a manager so that they can manage our Google My Business profile. They can reply the reviews of our customers, or they can either add product description, service description, or business description, or they can optimize our Google My Business listing. You just need to enter the email ID of the opposite member whom you are giving the access, and you just need to select the manager, and you can simply send them the invitation, and they will receive an email on their Gmail where they need to accept the invitation. And after accepting the invitation, when they will search for your business name or my business keyword using the same Gmail ID in which they have received the invitation request on Google, then automatically your Google My Business listing would appear on their screen, and they can make the changes, whatever the changes are required to be made. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.